everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about some actual skincare mistake that can make you older. Yes, you heard me right. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maintain a youthful and radiant complexion. So let's just jump into the topic. The number one mistake is skipping sunscreen. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping sunscreen. Sun damage can cause premature aging, including fine lines and wrinkles. Make sure you wear a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least 30% SPF every day, including indoors when you are not going out. Many of us wear sunscreen whenever they are going out to the sun. No, that is not how you should do it. You should wear it every day. The second mistake is over-exfoliating. Before we jump into that, please remember to subscribe, like, and give me a thumbs up if you are the type that loves such skincare topics. Exfoliating is an essential part of any skincare routine, but over-exfoliating can lead to skin damage and make you look old. It can cause irritation, inflammation, and dryness, which can make your skin look dull and tired. Limit your exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week, and make sure you use gentle products to exfoliate. The third is sleeping on makeup. This is no. Laziness can cause this, but don't allow the devil to use you. So, sleeping with your makeup on is a no. It can clog your pores, leading to breakout and skin irritation. It can also make your skin to look dull and dehydrated, making you look older. Always make sure you remove your makeup before going to bed. No matter how tired you are, even if you cannot take your bath, find coconut oil, baby oil with baby wipes, wipe it off and wash your face. Go to bed. The fourth point is not drinking enough water. So many of us are fighting with water. Staying hydrated is essential for healthy, youthful-looking skin. Dehydration can lead to dry, dull skin, and even make fine lines and wrinkles more prominent, more pronounced. People will see it the more. Make sure you drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water, and also incorporate hydrating food into your diet. Number 5 is using harsh products. Your skin don't need that harshness. It's very, very delicate. You don't need all those harsh chemicals for your skin. Using harsh products can damage your skin's natural barrier, making it more prone to aging. Products with high alcohol, fragrance, and other chemicals can strip your skin of its natural oils and cause irritation. Always choose gentle, non-irritation products for your skin. Don't be too harsh with yourself. You will not achieve that glass skin in one day. So give your skin a break. Another mistake is neglecting your necks and your hands. Many of us buy beauty products worth thousands of dollars. We don't remember hand cream for our hands, and we don't massage our neck while applying product. We just do glow on our face, glow. Ignoring these two areas can make you age faster. Many people forget to give their neck and their hands the same attention as their face, but these areas can give away your age just as quickly. Neglecting to moisturize and protect these areas can lead to early wrinkles. Make sure you extend your skincare routine to your hands and your neck. Get your hand a very nice hand cream, and always massage your neck while applying your product. There you have it, guys. These are some of the most common mistakes that makes you age faster. By avoiding this mistake and incorporating healthy skincare habits, you can maintain a youthful, glowing complexion. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. And remember to watch this video here on dry skin care remedies.